Hello and welcome or welcome back to Karavali Days. I'm going to share with you wheat Payasam recipe. I've taken whole wheat. This is 250 grams of wheat. Washed it 4 times in water. And you would have to pressure cook it with twice the amount of water. So here I've used 1 cup of whole wheat. So I add 2 cups of water. This particular recipe is easy to make, healthy, and it's yummy, and I'm sure it will be your kids' favorite. It can be served hot or cold. That's the best part about it. And shelf life is roughly 7 days. Add a pinch of salt, pressure cook it for 3 whistles. After which, remove the lid off, bring it to boil again, add jaggery. I've used organic black jaggery here, and milk. If you're somebody who is not so conscious, you can switch it to condensed milk. I've added cardamom for flavor and for aroma. Mix it, bring it to boil, and it's ready to serve. I like it a little crunchier, so I've just stopped it with 3 whistles. If you like it mushier, increase it to 5 to 6 whistles or even 10, depending on the type of wheat that you have. And it's ready to serve. I hope you'll let me know in the comment below if you like it or if you ever tried it. Do let me know and tag me if you're posting it elsewhere. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do support us in every way possible. Every like, comment and subscribe matters. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.